guys, my name is GameStop Club and up today I'm going to play Chaos Faction 2. Me and my brother has always playing Chaos Faction 2 to do lots of fun. Okay, today I'm going to click play. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I always play this. I always play this together. Not always, but sometimes. Okay. I'm going to play again. Wait. I'm removing that I don't like. I'm removing that. What am I mean? I'm removing the weapons that I don't like here. So just wait for it, guys. I'm just removing it because it's so ugly. If you like don't remove it, so don't remove it, so just wait a second and I'm going to play this crossbow, broadsword, ray gun, I hate that plank, I hate that cutlass, flamethrower, eldritch, taser, freezer ray, oh no, pointer, no, homing missile, yeah, okay, let's play start deathmatch. This I'm going to play this, so play teams, just speed one, speed one, player 2, player 6, the last standing lives is over 20, but when you click that faster it can be 50. So I'm going to start at 20. I'm not gonna speak today because I don't like to speak while I'm playing. Okay, so let's start here in the town castle. I'm Metal Guy. Okay, I've been playing this since I was grade 6. So guys, you have to enjoy this because I love this. Yeah. Wait. Okay, I can't remove. Okay, I can't move. Wait. Okay guys, I'm now gonna start playing. Sorry for the loss again. I have the beanie gun. Yeah, rock and roll to myself. Wait. Shit. Oh my gosh. Fuck. No, I'm not confused. Fuck. Shit. So, this game is so hard I don't like this game when wait. Whoa, it's disabled, huh? Okay, bye guys. Dude, oh my gosh, I died. Oh my gosh. Ooh, there's a rifle. I don't like this. I like rifle. My gosh, I died. Oh, better shield. Get the shield off. Whoa. Ooh, boom. Everyone died. Wow. No. Shit. No, going to have that RPG. Boom. Oh, I died. No, shit, no. Shit, fuck. Shit. Wait, guys. Okay, guys, I removed it to 10 lives, so I'm going to start again. Don't tussle. Yeah. Sorry, guys, for the lost. Guys. Now I'm going to do it very quickly. Okay, so I'm the player 1 there, and my team is Cinema Zigig, I think. So okay, I'm going to play this. Ha! Hey guys, shit! What the fuck? No, don't turn. No. Oh shit! Fuck! I died. My gosh. Fuck. My gosh, where am I? Yes. Oh, bye, guys. Oh, no. Shit. Fuck. That's why I hate this. That's why I hate this, guys. Somebody was trying to eliminate me. I take a revenge on you. I will take a revenge. Boosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I like that. I like that star because it's invincible. Yes, I'm invincible. Yes. I will take invincible for taking that star. So that's why you should be quick on this game, because this is the game that is enjoying. It can be 2-player here. Yeah, it can be 2-player. You can play with your brothers too. Yeah. Oh no. You got the shield. Shit. Oh. Where are the others? No. Oh. Shit. No. Oh. Fuck this game. Whoa. So I better get start off the game. I've got to freeze you, evil man. Wow. Please be freeze. Freeze. Oh no, shit. Fuck. No. Fuck this game. Ugh. Shit. No way. Shit. Wait, guys. Today. Where am I? Whoa. Where am I? Later. Oh, okay, guys. This is. Oh my gosh. This is the later. We almost died for now. We will die. No. Oh. That's why I hate it. Okay, winner team 3 is the winner. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye. Peace, guys. Yo.